Hello students, here is the second audio PPT of the subject Computer Application and E-Business. Here I am Indu Kapoor Chaudhary, your assistant professor taking lecture of this particular subject. In the previous lecture, we studied the workflow of computer and the very basic about the block diagram. Today I will explain clearly the block diagram. In the block diagram, we have an input unit here and the output unit, and the processing unit has three separate units: the arithmetic logic unit, the control unit, and the memory unit. Let's see how these basic parts of computer are functioning. Input unit, it consists of the devices that are used to give data and instructions to the computer. Input devices are keyboard, mouse. Second, the control unit. The control unit is collaborating with all the devices and it controls all the functions of the part of the computer. Third is arithmetic logic unit. The arithmetic logic unit, it carries out all the arithmetic operations and logical comparisons. Fourth, memory unit. All input device instructions and data entering to the process are stored in the memory. The memory, all the input data instructions output are stored into the memory unit. Memory is of two types: primary memory and secondary memory. And the last one is output unit. Devices that are used to give output is the output unit. Output unit can be your printer or monitor. There are certain pins you should keep in mind about the computer. It says the first one is control unit, arithmetic logic unit and memory unit are together called the central processing unit. यानी कि आपका कंट्रोल यूनिट, अर्थमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट और मेमोरी यूनिट जब एक साथ होता है ब्लॉक डायग्राम में तो उसको हम सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट कहते हैं. Second, computer devices that we can see and touch are the hardware components of the computer. कंप्यूटर डिवाइस में जो भी कंपोनेंट्स को हम टच कर सकते हैं या देख सकते हैं उसको हम हार्डवेयर कंपोनेंट्स कहते हैं, जैसे कि कीबोर्ड, माउस और मॉनिटर. And the third one is set of instructions or programs that make the computer functions using these hardware parts are called software. जितने भी हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स को यूज़ करके जो भी एक यूज़र इंस्ट्रक्शंस देता है या प्रोग्राम सेट करता है कंप्यूटर को फंक्शन करने के लिए, उसको हम कहते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर. सो इन दिस वीडियो वी लर्न व्हाट कंप्यूटर इज. Any queries you have, you are free to comment in the comment box of Google Classroom. Thank you.